Hey folks, thanks to you, we did it. 10 subscribers mark. Time to get an award. Passing the 10 subs milestone gets us our first YouTube play button. I think I hear the post person dropping off a package now. Yep, I see the package now. On the ground near the mailbox. Let's go get it. Yeah, this is definitely it. Verified, folks. From YouTube Awards Department. Let's take it inside and open it up. Here it is, friends. Let's take a close look at this baby. Very exciting for us, folks. See for yourselves. From YouTube, Cherry Avenue, Awards Department. That's their official logo. To the Mirth Atelier. Congratulations. Thanks, YouTube. You see here? These are official YouTube Awards Department shipping decorations. Totally cool. Now let's see the award. Incredible day for us. How thoughtful of YouTube to double protect this rarest accolade. To defend this citation from dents and dings while in transit, we have a second layer of safety. Wow, this is it. Just need to remove this bubble wrap. That's official YouTube tamper-proof tape to ensure that no one besides official YouTube officials have handled this trophy. How awesome is this? A dust cover to protect our achievement. Official YouTube airfield plastic. Look, there's a YouTube logo. Time for the unveiling. One last tamper-proof seal to break. See? Now we're sure no funny business has taken place. Magnificent. I'm speechless. Look at the craftsmanship. Look at the details. I need to catch my breath. Okay, let's take a deeper look at this beauty. For those of you out there that haven't reached this plateau, I'll describe the award to you. The plaque itself seems to be made of a high quality and possibly very expensive cardboard. Presented to the Mirth Atelier for passing 10 subscribers. The centerpiece appears to be made of only the finest plastic shopping bags melted together to create the curved crystal-like center, and one more piece of that heavy-duty solid cardboard right in the middle. The wording is embroidered college rule with 100% exotic Bic ink. Thank you, YouTube. We love you. And again, thank you, friends. Without you, there is no award. We only have this award because of you. Thank you. Peace.